Вот, камикадзе еще дымится, камикадзе поигрался. Прямо вот сюда и прилетел.
Hi guys, it's Ed from Warthog Defense. We have another update on the Ukrainian situation. After the new year, fires, explosions are continuing at accelerating rate all across Russia. Is it some new Ukrainian strategy or just a discontent regarding the war in Ukraine among Russian population? We don't know. Or maybe it's a combination of both. But we do know that all across Russia there are a lot of fires, explosions, diversions, and the cause is unknown for now. But let it keep it so. It's more mysterious this way. Let's see the update.
Wildberries employees burned down the 100,000 square meters, 25 acres warehouse in St. Petersburg in response to Putin's fascist raids at the location earlier today. Masses of workers were arrested to be sent to fight in Ukraine. By the way, Wildberries is Russia's Amazon ripoff.
Реально, да что за 20 минут все случилось?
Просто полчаса нет склада.
The roof is collapsing. Hurry to the gate. The videos coming from the now completely destroyed Wildberries warehouse in St. Petersburg show understandably absolute chaos among the workers. But what is mind-boggling is that many workers claim that they got held up by security because of the fear of theft. Wildberries company claims it is negotiating with rescue services to use a helicopter to put out the fire at the warehouse in St. Petersburg. So if there's a fire in Russia and the smoke from it covers half of St. Petersburg, negotiations with firepersons are needed so they will start work. If someone gets robbed in Russia, should that person start negotiating with the police? This is complete breakdown of the system if connections are needed even for issues like this one. There have been at least 50 large fires in the past 5 to 6 months in the large warehouses in Russia, mostly in Moscow region and St. Petersburg. No one was punished. There have been rumors that with the sanctions, it is more profitable to burn down the building and get payments from insurance than upkeep half-empty spaces. You won't believe it, but yet another town in Russia is now without heat. Novomoskovsk in Tula region. 372 residential buildings, 16 kindergartens, and a hospital are without heat because of an incident at the local electricity station. All resources and means are directed towards liquidating the accident, says the press release of the local mayor's office. Russian Telegram channel reports that despite all the efforts to fix the station, nothing works. And locals report that their apartments are getting cold. It's up to 10 degrees Fahrenheit outside. There has been a whole series of accidents with utility services in Russia since 2024 started. A video of the fire at the headquarters of the 70th Regiment of the Russian Army on January 11, 2024 has appeared online. It seems to me that this Russian soldier is very happy, and he's happily taking selfies.
11 января 2024 года. Смотрите приколюху. 70-й полк. Вообще, ты чё, ему все горит нахуй в огне, ебать. Штаб нахуй ему. Как Владимир Владимирович Путин вчера сказал нахуй ему, что будут проверки создаваться нахуй ему. Вот она нахуй ему, 70-й полк. Смотрите ему, как пламя горит, вообще жестко. Все, смотрите.
This is rare. Russian, with a decent sense of humor, reviews his pickup truck damaged by a kamikaze drone.
Вот, камикадзе еще дымится, камикадзе поигрался. Прямо вот сюда прилетел, чуть дырочку сделал. Ну да, провода сгорели. Сиденье нормально. Дворник не работает теперь один. Отломился почему-то. Вот так вот, с Шевроле Нивой, что происходит? О, надо забрать, блядь, у него тормозуха там лежит под фарой. Ну, на, рубать. Подержи. Только недавно ездил. Была хорошая машина, но ненадолго.
Ukrainian soldiers captured a group of Russian soldiers together with Somalian mercenary who wanted to earn money by killing Ukrainians. He was recruited 2 months ago. I don't know what Ukraine should do with him because Russia will not exchange him. Write your options in the comments.
Somali, where are you from?
From Somalia.
Somali, yes?
Yeah, Somalia.
Where you come to here, to the army?
Why?
Huh?
Why? I
Where? When?
When? 2 months back.
2 months back.
Yeah.
Okay, why you come here?
Dengue.
Dengue money, yes? Красавчик.
A Russian evacuation MTLB with all kinds of wooden and rubber implements to improve survivability.
Боевой техники. Она выглядит немножко, может быть, но очень действенно. Да, применяются против наших бойцов и FPV-дроны. И да, сбрасывают все для того, чтобы это все не повредило ни технику, ни личный состав. Обшивается металлической сеткой, деревянными конструкциями. Да, для техники вес не добавляется сильно, а вот с точки зрения защиты, да, вот в таких вот полевых условиях мы сегодня это все дело наблюдаем. Вот, можете посмотреть.
Мы подготовили машину для эвакуации, это МТЛБ. Как вы видите, обтянутые все спиралицы, для того, чтобы предотвратить попадание дронов для уничтожения личного состава и эвакуируемого личного состава с позиции, если такие будут. Обтянута резина диаметром 1,5 сантиметра, оставить, ширина 1,5 сантиметра. Также вы видите подъемный отсек для того, чтобы личный состав грузился на броню. Под резиной, так визуально не видно, но она прошита деревянным брусом для усиления брони. Для маскировки в зимних условиях данная машина открыта крючком материала. Показываю брус, который прошит под резиновым материалом. Далее. Отсек для обслуживания короткой передачи и попадания механика водителя на свое штатное место. Также сверху машина укрыта белой маскетью для маскировки в зимних условиях.
Russian authorities are cutting off heating in prisons so that prisoners go to fight in Ukraine, writes the German Bild. Temperatures have dropped to 31 degrees in many parts of Russia. It seems that Vladimir Putin has decided to use the cold weather to replenish his weakened troops in Ukraine. Many colonies are turning off the heating so that prisoners are more willing to go to war. For this reason, they just cut off the heating for them at below 0 temperatures, said Olga Romanova, founder of the Sitting Rus project. By doing so, the conditions in prisons must become unbearable so that the men there would go to Ukraine. There are 3 groups in Russia for whom most people have no compassion when they die at the front. They are prisoners, national minorities living in poor regions far from Moscow, and new citizens. As long as these 3 groups are fighting and dying in Ukraine, Putin can create the illusion of normality for the rest. Overall, the success of the prisoner units is quite limited, as we can also see from current events on the front. Prisoners are simply sent en masse to the front line in Ukraine and sacrificed there. According to Romanova, women from Russian prisons are being recruited more and more often. Currently, about 1,000 Russian women are fighting in Ukraine.
Guys, I hope you liked this video. Comment, like, subscribe, become a member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.